everybody, this is Roxy and I have a really good Dollar Tree haul. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so first of all, I'm making some like cocoa treat bags to put in my Christmas cups. So I'm going to add some of these coming up. And I thought I'd try it because I've heard reports that they're not good. Look at how cute they are. They're funny looking. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button so you can always see what we're up to here. All right, here we go. They're fine. Bargain Bethany, I don't know if she had these. She just did one on, like, maybe yesterday or whatever. She said they taste like Robitussin. I don't mind them. I think they're good. And I won't smack on too much on the video. But they're really nice stripes. Kind of adds a lot of red and color to the package. And for those bags, I found... Where did I find them? I bought some bags at Hobby Lobby. But I'm going to see which ones I like better. Because then I found these for $1 at Dollar Tree. And, you know, the Hobby Lobby ones were, I think, $2 on with a coupon. And it's like, you know, you're kind of eating up your profits. So I'm just going to see how these stack up. Like, these would be pretty good, I think. Plus, it comes with twist ties, so I think these are going to be just fine. Although they are staticky. But we'll see. I think they'll be fine. Got those. Then I found this, and they have a smaller one, which I think they should be sold together. Because why would you buy a smaller one for $1 when it just fits inside there? It should be together. Anyways, I bought it because it's so cute. Just kind of probably more for display, like on a table or whatever. Cute, cute, cute. And then you are not going to believe what I found. I'm going to show them last. These are really cool. Man, these are like strong too. Because I had some metal on here and it like lifted the whole thing up. But these are going to be great. There's heavy magnets. So I do have on one of my tables, I've got my embossing gun. So I'm going to, and I have a metal table right next to it, one of those old enamel tables. And I have a clip that has a magnet. So I just clipped the cord of the embossing gun. But this is going to work way better. So, nice little find. I found one adorable Christmas card. They have some really cute ones. Isn't that cute? Oh, I just fell in love with the little fox that grew up in our backyard this summer. Because he is so cute and so naughty. And he drives Sheila bonkers. Like, all you got to do is say, oh, is that fox out there? And then she'll go running. She'll run through the house, run up to the patio door. Get me out, let me out. It's really funny. Okay, then I found some gorgeous bags. Well, not gorgeous, adorable. Gorgeous would be if they're really pretty. So let me get all this out. Look at how cute. Oh, peeking out all the animals. How adorable. Isn't that cute? There's the side. But, I mean, it's so cute. I wish Scrubby would buy them and then give them to me for Christmas. But anyways, I'll put some of his stuff in them. Very cute. Like, these would actually be cute just to stage a Christmas tree. You know what I'm saying? Like, just throw paper in them. Have them at your Christmas tree. Because everybody's phony. No, I'm just kidding. That's cute. More animals peeking out. Santa doing a little jig. Cute. Love his little tree. I think it's just the same on the side. And then this is the one that really caught my eye. Look at the cardinal pulling on his tassel or his something. Look at how cute. That is so cute. It's a little heart-shaped nose. Super, super cute bags. So then, this one I found last week, but I'd been too busy this week to do a video, but wait for it. They got these metal tins. These are not the same shape that I did a few years ago, but I think I'm going to do more of like a mini album in here. Like kind of just accordion folded. Like the last one I did was accordion fold, but I attached the front and back. So when you open it, it goes like that. Everybody loved them, but I only sold a few. I still have like 3 left. So I'm going to do a bigger one like this, like with, so all they have to do is plop a photo on it. You know, or I thought do an accordion that holds several gift cards for like teenagers, college students, you know, they love gift cards, as do I. So there's that one. See, he's not kicking his heels, so some cute snowmen. This one's nice for an older person, maybe grandma. Another cute one. But look at that one. Isn't that cool? I think I found 4 of these. Yeah, because then I went back, because we're doing our baskets for the Christmas party for our neighborhood, and found 2 more. So there, nope, I'm not done. I gotta have some water though, hang on. It's dry as a bone in here, because it's winter. And it's gorgeous out. We got about 6 inches of snow overnight. And Scrubby stayed home. So look at this cute thing. It's so soft. It's just like, you know, it's supposed to be like a cat or something. I don't know. But I thought it was cute. So I bought that for my collection, and that's it. I'm done shopping at Dollar Tree for a while. Fingers crossed. All right, so thanks for watching, and go check these out. They were there a week ago, and they had they're on those strips. They had a new strip this week, like as in yesterday. So they should be findable. Thanks for watching. Bye.